Hello, I have created this video to introduce you to the process of using Google Art Project. Google Art Project is an amazing way to access works of art in numerous world-renowned collections electronically. The first thing to do is to navigate to www.googleartproject.com. You can also type Google Art Project into the search bar. If you have a Google account, your login information will appear in the upper right-hand corner. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. You will notice as you scroll down the page that there are many options for searching images. If you simply want to browse, there are daily digest images, a selection of virtual tours, and a number of other featured collections. On the left-hand menu bar, you'll see that there are also options to search for images by artist's name, medium, art movement, and various other search categories. You'll notice one category labeled Partners. Selecting this option will take you to a page where all of the museums and galleries who have shared their collections with Google can be accessed. You can search for a museum by name or browse the alphabetical list. Some of the institutions even give you the option to go on a virtual tour. Of course, at any time you can also search for exactly the collection, artist, or artwork that you want to find. I would encourage you to spend some time exploring your many options for looking at works of art. When you find a work of art that you want to save as part of your own personal collection, you can select the heart icon at the upper right-hand side of your screen. This will save the image to your Favorites section. In your Favorites, you can also create a collection of images. For your group project, you'll be creating a collection of images that relates to your subheading from the theme chapter. Each time you save an image, you can select that image from your favorites and then add it to the collection. Give your collection a title that corresponds to the chapter your group is working on, and in the description, explain the particular subheading that you personally are responsible for. The collection will be saved in your favorites profile, and you can add to it later on. The first step in your group project is to create a collection of images and then share this with your group. Once your collection is complete, you will provide a link to the collection in your group blog. This will be the blog assignment for week 9. This way, your group members can visit your collection and see the images you have saved. To share your collection with your group, simply copy the URL for your Google Art Project collection. In your group blog, create an entry. Insert a hyperlink by selecting the attachment tool. It looks like a paperclip. When the dialog box opens and asks you to select Content Link, choose Source URL. The box to specify source URL will open. Paste your URL into this box and submit. Now your group members should have a link to your collection where they can view your images. As you look through your GroupMates collections, be thinking about the images that will be best to represent your theme chapter in the final project. As a group, you will decide to select 2 images from each student collection to include in your group wiki. This group conversation and the final list of images is your blog assignment for week 12. Have fun, and as always, don't hesitate to ask for advice from me or your GroupMates.